today's video I'm going to be showing you how to make web views in Android Studio. So what is exactly a web view? So as you know, like in some apps, what happens is that when you click on something, it takes you to a Google page and then it shows you some search results. So that is what we are going to do today, and we are not going to do any search results or anything today. What I'm going to show you is that how to add a web view in Android Studio and how to set its link to something so that when we like open our app, then we'll go straight into that website which we are going. So let's make a new Android Studio project. We are going to use an empty activity and we'll call it web view, and API 23, you should go for API 24 here and then just click finish. Okay, it's going now. So firstly let's take a link. So firstly we'll start with Google, and then I will show you also my website on the phone as well, which is lovebarnaval.in. So let's just wait. So firstly what we are going to do is open Chrome, then you just do Google, and then you just copy this till this first slash. Remember to take the slash because sometimes it gets an error. So then you go here. We'll just wait for this to sync up, and then let's wait for it to sync. It'll just take a second. And then also for the first time we are going to need to use some permissions in this app. So firstly let's go to app manifest, and let me open Android manifest, and here what we are going to do, write exactly the same thing or there might be a problem. Okay, so write exactly the same thing. Go here before your application, also do users permission, and here search internet, and you can see internet has come, and then close it with just one slash. When you do one backward slash, then it will just close it by itself. So here what we are going to do is firstly delete this text view. Then we are going to search for web view and just place it in, and then attributes, we'll have to name it, so we'll call it web view, and then add this constraint. And one thing remember guys, mostly like when you add a constraint in which it fills the whole screen, remember to click this as so it matches constraints, so that in any device it will just match the constraint and you won't have to like write your own like 400 pixels or anything. So here we are going to do web view. Web view is equal to find view by id r.id dot web view. Next what we are going to do is, so we are going to do web view dot set web view client, one second, new web view client, then web view dot get settings dot java, set javascript enable to true. Then what we are going to do is web view dot load URL, and then here we are just going to paste that google.com. So now let's wait for this to run. So while this is running, I'll just show you one thing. We can write in HTML as well. So let me just comment that out. So we'll do webview dot load URL HTML uh, so do HTML, then for 1 second. So HTML, then you are going to do. So we are going to do HTML body. Then we are going to do h1 and then hello world. Then we are going to close sorry 1 second, let me first see out this. I guess I ran it before commenting, so let it just finish running, then I'll start doing this. So now it's running. Okay, now it's fine. So now I can do that and then do this again, then close h1, then you do paragraph and then say hi, I am love, then close your paragraph as well, then close body, and remember to have no spaces in between or else it won't work, and then close HTML. So it is taking some time, let's just wait. Let's wait over here. So that took a long time. Why isn't this working? Okay, 1 second, I'll just come back in a minute and resolve this. So guys, the problem was that I forgot to do one thing here. So text HTML and then UTF-8. So now it will like convert it and then it will show us this. So let us firstly check this out, how this works. So yes, don't forget to do that HTML and UTF-8 part. And then we'll check out how to do Google's website. Okay, let's just wait for this to load up completely. Shouldn't take too much time. So by then, let me go and get the link for my website. So yes, loveparnaval.in. Then then you just copy this link. Okay, now what the problem is, okay, it has come. It was just taking some time to load. And now let me check with the google.com. So that HTML, that small HTML code took that long, so it might take like 20 seconds for this to load Google because it's such a huge website. So let's wait for this to come. Okay, it's gonna take some time, so let's just wait for it to load up completely. Okay, and should be coming. It came. See, it came perfectly. We have now our web view, and I don't know why is Google like it's so black the top, but it's okay. At least you have got a working web view, and then it is going to work as well. The search, everything, sports. Uh, okay, and now let me go and copy paste my website's link in here, and I think there's just some problem with the internet, but for you guys, it will work perfectly fine. If you want to try to search something, it will search perfectly normally. It's just, I guess, it's lagging a bit over here. So, yes, let's just wait for this to start. Okay, yes, and here you can see my website as well. And I don't know why it isn't working. I mean, like, it's showing up and you can scroll up and down. I guess it's just lagging a lot. So yes, so that is how we have made a web view. So web views are really important in an app as well. For example, let's do something like a news app. So a news app, like, it needs so much web view. It needs web views, like, so important in a news app. For example, let's see the first thing. Web view, it will help a news app to get more to get the news from the website. So you of course need to have this web view which is going to show the user some news, or else there is another way to do that, which is using databases and storing that into the data, but that will be later. We are going to do that later. So firstly, I hope you understood web views very well, and then you can use web views in many languages. Here you could have also used PHP, and you could have done text/PHP, and then it would have worked in PHP as well. So yes, you can just try doing whatever you want. You can do a bit of fooling around with all of these settings, and then I hope you would enjoy doing that. So I hope you liked my video. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel, and bye.